Good morning.
Am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, the last class, I think, what have we discussed in the last class?
Salting the process.
Ma'am, preservation techniques, salt processing, ma'am.
Preservation techniques and the salt processing. Okay. So, yes, why you use the salt for the, as a preservation technique? Why are you using the salt for the preservation technique? Any idea?
And to save food.
Why do you use salt?
Save food and to kill germs also.
Kill the
Ma'am,
germs.
can you hear me? To preserve the food, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, to stop the growth of microorganisms.
Ma'am,
Can I say?
absorb the moisture in the food. Food is dry, won't get spoiled, ma'am.
Yes, to absorb the moisture. Very good. So salt you have input to the fruits or vegetables to absorb the moisture, and maybe because in the presence of moisture, the vegetables and fruits may get spoiled. Okay, so we are putting the salt or the sugar to absorb the moisture and keep the things fresh. Even the jellies, jams, we are putting the sugar, we are making the extracting the juice out of the fruits and making it once we are the extracting juice out of the fruits, and as we are extracting the juice out of the fruit, we are making it harder. Later we put sugar to that jam. So why? So that the whatever the jam it will be out of the germs, out of the moisture, and also it will be tasty. Okay, so that is the why you need to put the salt and sugar. So next technique is the canning. Do you know what is canning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Candle.
Canning. For what do you use it?
Can you write?
Yes. For what?
Can you pin your video?
Ma'am, it is not proper, ma'am.
What do you mean by canning? Canning is basically the preservation technique where you preserve the food in such a way that it is used in a tin. Food is preserved. Food is preserved in tin and aluminum foil. Aluminum cans. Okay, so the tin and aluminum actually don't react to the food and it is sealed. Okay, so and you have not seen in the bakeries you get gulab jamuns, rasgulla, and so many other vegetables like olives. They were kept in the cans. Okay, and they will have sealed it. Gulab jamun especially, they would have sealed it. Okay, so if you want a fresh gulab jamun, what we will do? We will go to the go to the thing and we get the jamuns. Right? Why we get so? Because we need to preserve it. Right? So we will preserve it with the help of the can. What type of can? Aluminum can or tin cans. Okay, so you break open the outside thing and you use it, right? So you put the Horlicks, like the babies, whatever the babies will need, the food given to the babies. Okay, so that also come in big tins or cans. So the purpose is that it won't allow any the moisture or impurities to attack the food. It is fully sealed. Okay, so and you can keep it outside for longer time. You can keep it outside for the longer time and the food will be fresh.
Can you teach me this, ma'am, again?
Yes.
Ma'am, how do they pack that tin, ma'am?
Yes.
How do they? Ma'am, how do they when they eat the food? How do they pack that, ma'am?
Yes, normally they cook it, right? Or how you do the gulab jamun at home? They make a sugar syrup, they boil it, then later they make a round balls of the gulab jamun and they put in the thing and they fry it and all. Okay.
What is meaning of canning, ma'am?
Yes.
Meaning of canning, ma'am?
Meaning of
Canning.
the same thing I was explaining. You are not attentive.
Mm-hmm.
What I told you, please be attentive. Okay. So the whatever the jamuns you take, that will be boiled nicely and it is like made into good sweets, right? The jamuns or rasgullas and everything. And the same thing will be put in that
Ma'am, the
aluminum
board is not clear to us, ma'am.
the tins the cans. Okay, so what will happen as you put inside the tins and the can and you are sealing it. So and it will be kept for longer time. So you keep it outside also, it's kept for longer time. So when you go to the bakery, when you ask for it, they will give it to you. So it is like it's a type of a technique or a preservation technique where the food won't get spoiled as it won't come in contact with the atmosphere. Okay, it won't come in contact with the atmosphere and the water, the tin and the aluminum cans are there, right? It won't react with the food items and keep it fresh. So this is nothing but canning.
Ma'am, that means canning means if we put the jamun in the tin in the canning, ma'am, it will be not go, no, ma'am, it will be fresh only.
Yeah, it will be fresh. Why it won't be not fresh? Maybe you are
Canning is
the expiry date. Anyway, so yeah, after this, let's go to the
Excuse me, ma'am.
canning is a bottle, ma'am. Canning.
Fast. I will be muting everyone now. I'll be once who raise a hand, I'll ask a doubt. Okay. Please ask a doubt after raising your hand. Okay. Fast, right, everyone? I hope it is
Canning means.
I hope it is.
Ma'am, at the last you have written scaled, oh ma'am.
No,
Aluminum cans are
sealed.
scaled.
It is sealed, not scaled. It is sealed.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes. A-L-E-D. Sealed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This food is preserved in tin and aluminum cans and sealed. What is canning? The food preserved.
No, ma'am, we cannot see your screen.
Ma'am, we can't see your screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Talk, dear.
We can see your screen,
Everyone.
ma'am.
Not at all allowing me to talk. Raise your hand if you want to say something. Okay. So, canning food is preserved in tin and aluminum cans. It is sealed. Okay. Canning is something where the food is preserved in the aluminum can and sealed. Yes, canning is something the food is preserved in the tin and aluminum cans and sealed. Okay, shall I raise? I had dictated twice. I hope now you have written it. Okay, fine. So next. Next, coming to the pasteurization. Okay, so it is nothing but boiling of milk. Boiling of milk at 72 degrees Celsius, immediately cooling. As immediately cooling it. Okay, and immediately cooling it to around 31 degrees Celsius. To around 31 degrees Celsius. So 72 degrees, nicely boiled. Later it is cooled immediately at 31 degrees Celsius. Usually this type of preservation technique is used for milk. Okay, it is used for milk and the milk is stored in the fridge. Okay, so later when the milk is removed from the cow, right? They take out the milk from the cows and usually that is not directly utilized for drinking purpose. So instead, what they do, they take it, they boil it. Okay, they take it, they boil, they to take and make it a process of a pasteurization. So the milk which is removed from the cow, it is gone to the factories with the milk van. So as it is gone to the factories in the milk van, the factories it will be in the big tumblers. So it will be boiled nicely to around 72 degrees Celsius. Okay, in this process, all the microorganisms are killed. All the microorganisms are killed, and even there is very internal microorganisms, even those microorganisms will be killed. Okay, even those microorganisms will be killed. So as everything will be killed, so what will happen? It will be nicely pasteurized. 100% it is good to drink. Okay. Later on, once it is boiled, later on it is cooled around 30 degrees Celsius or 31 degrees Celsius. Okay. So once it is cooled to room temperature around, then later they put to the packets and they send it to the home. They send it to the home. So as they send it to the home, we will again unpack it, put it to the container, again we boil it. Again we boil it. Understood? Okay, yes, note it down. Veda, what doubt you have? Unmute.
Ma'am, we cannot see the screen.
Why? Others are able to see, no? Why you are not able to see? You can log out and log in.
Okay, ma'am.
The screen is a board. What doubt you have?
Ma'am, how is this pronounced, ma'am?
How is this?
Pronounced, ma'am. Pasteurization.
Pasteurization. Pasteurization. Pasteurization. It is a process where we boil the milk for around 71 degrees Celsius and immediately cool it to 31 degrees Celsius so that it is all the microorganisms are killed. Okay? All the microorganisms are killed. Microorganisms are killed. Okay, yes. Shivani, unmute yourself. Answer. What doubt you have?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of aluminum can?
Pasteurization. Can you spell it with me? Pasteurization. Pasteurization.
Okay, ma'am.
It is a process where you boil
Okay,
the
ma'am.
milk for around 71 degrees Celsius and immediately cool it to 32 degrees Celsius. So you are boiling nicely, heating nicely, and later on you cool it to 31 degrees Celsius, where all the microorganisms are killed and it is drinkable. You can consume it. The milk can be consumed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any other doubt? Yes, Shreya. Tell me.
Ma'am, here you wrote is cooling it to around after that what you have wrote.
Around 31 degrees Celsius. 31
Okay, ma'am.
degrees Celsius.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Nishan, what do you have?
How did they cool it, ma'am? By taking out of the stove, ma'am.
Now, do you think they put the stove inside factories? No.
No.
Big tons of milk will be there. So much of milk is there. They cannot put put stove. No. There'll be a big boiler. They'll boil it, and there'll be a huge thing. If you go to the factories, you'll get to know. And they cool it and refrigerate it. There'll be a cooling machine where the temperature is set to 31 degrees Celsius. Okay. So that so much of milk will be there that they'll keep it in that refrigerator. Okay. Then later,
that means,
once it is cool, they'll be packing it.
and that means in the factories, heating machine is also there and cooling machine there, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Danyashri, tell me.
Ma'am, you've written in the first note, ma'am. What is that pasteurization? How to pronounce it, ma'am?
Pasteurization. You should be attentive, Danyashri. You have told 10 times now. Pasteurization. Can you spell it with me? Pasteurization.
Pasteurization. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Done. Everyone writing? Over. Erase. Next technique is irradiation. 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 Irradiation is the process of applying radiation, like UV radiation, infrared radiation, spraying radiations, UV radiations, ultraviolet radiations, ultraviolet radiations, okay, infrared radiation, infrared radiations, okay, infrared radiations, ultraviolet radiations, okay. So when you spray the ultraviolet radiations and infrared radiations to kill any micro inside the food items, to kill any microorganisms inside the food items. inside the food items. Inside the food items. Okay. So that is irradiation. They spray it in such a way if there is any cancer cells or anything which is dangerous to our health, that is being removed or killed. Okay. So sometimes they radiate the plant itself. If something is there inside, from inside you get all the microorganisms and unwanted cells. That will be nicely sprayed such a way that everything will be removed. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Just note it down. Okay. Next comes to refrigeration. You all know refrigeration, right? R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Refrigeration. Okay. Okay, so refrigeration. This is a process of keeping food items at coolest temperature at around very cool temperature around is kind of below 10 degrees Celsius, below 10 degrees Celsius, to avoid growth of microorganisms. To avoid growth of microorganisms. So you all know when you put it in the fridge, especially when you put it in the fridge, you can keep it for a longer time. Okay, so when you keep the food items in a longer time, how? Because when it's in a very low temperature, in that particular temperature, the microorganisms won't grow. Right? As microorganisms won't grow, the food will be fresh. So, and you can use it for longer time. The vegetables, foods can be used for longer time. It won't get perished. It won't get spoiled. Okay, note it down. Yes, who has doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, Nishan, tell me, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, in the fridge, 10 degrees Celsius it can do, ma'am.
Yes, below 10.
Okay, ma'am.
More than freezing point. What is freezing point? 0 degrees. No. Below 0 degree, minus also it will be. In the freezer, you keep it -4. No, it will be minus degree also. -1, -2, -3, like what ice creams and all that. They'll keep it in the minus thing also. But normal fridge, it will be below 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that the microorganisms cannot grow in that particular temperature. So a normal room temperature is the ideal temperature for the microorganisms to grow. But if you cool it for longer time, for in such a temperature, it can't grow. Okay. Yes, Rakshan.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand the meaning ultraviolet.
UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation.
Okay.
Infrared radiation. That's a name of the radiation. When you spray it, you get that radiation. Okay. Yes. And any other doubts? Yes, Akshan, any doubts? No? Okay, all of you done writing? Okay, keep writing. Okay, I'll just get the textbook. Make sure you write everything. Yes. You done writing? Okay. Next, using of chemicals. Using of chemicals. Using of chemicals. So, how they use like sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Using of chemicals like sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Using of chemicals, that is sodium benzoate. Okay. Used to preserve juices. Used to preserve juices. Used to preserve juices. Okay, sodium benzoate is a chemical where when you know that Tropicana, Alfonso, that Tropicana and some mixed fruit juice where you get from outside. So all that what they do, they crush it. The fruits are crushed nicely, juice is extracted and they put this chemical. They nicely mix and keep it. Even though they won't refrigerate it, it can be kept for longer time. The juices can be kept for longer time, and usually when we can't, like if you don't want to make a fresh juice at home, we'll go there and can drink that also. So it's a common practice to get those juice, okay, and also even this rasna powder you get, no, the rasna powder and all that. So what they do nicely, they take the fruit extract, they dry it nicely and they put this kind of chemical to it so that it won't get spoiled at all. Okay, you can keep outside for very longer time. You can keep the thing for very longer time. So as you keep for very longer time, so what will happen? You put to the juice and it will be mixed and you can drink it. Understood? Okay, note it down. Any doubt? Sodium benzoate. It is sodium benzoate. Note it down. Okay, done. Who have doubt? Kishan, what doubt you have?
What is sodium botrate? It's a chemical, ma'am.
Benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Spell it with me. Sodium benzoate.
Ma'am, sodium benzoate is a chemical, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Who have doubts? Yes, Nishan, tell me.
Ma'am, if we put the juice in the refrigerator and be, ma'am, in the refrigerator.
Yeah, home you keep, outside you get no Tropicana and all that. You know, tasted outside juice, that mixed fruit juice, Tropicana. You get advertisements on that, no? That those kind of juice where you get from outside and in the bakeries and all that keep, no? Now those kind of juice, how they preserve, they put these kind of chemical and keep it. So that it will, even though it's outside, even though if you don't put it in the fridge, it won't get spoiled. Okay. Yes. Rishan, tell me.
Ma'am, sodium benzoate is used for only preserving juices or other things too, ma'am.
Juice, only juice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Next is the Kishan, tell me.
Ma'am, those chemical will put that sodium benzoate. Benzoate. It is harmful for us.
Yeah, too much of that's why they tell no. Always you should use fresh food, cooked food, and when you cook nicely, that only freshly you have to drink. Where fruits also freshly you have to always making those kind of thing is not at all good. They say that. No? That is there. Every time, once in a while it's okay, but every time like drinking it, it's not at all good. Okay, so you know the dosa batter, no? Nowadays, dosa batter is, you know, we'll get outside only. And they also put some kind of chemical to that. Okay, they put some kind of chemical to that dosa batter, and usually that also it is consumed nowadays. So you no need to put it to a fridge or something. You can consume it. Okay, so but it is good for emergency sake. If you are not able to do it at home, some emergency is there. That time you can go and take it. But every day making it a habit, it is not at all good. Okay. Yes, Kishan. Yes, tell me any other doubt? No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Who have doubt? Yes, Shivani, tell me.
Ma'am, this chemical is harmful for us.
Chemical, yes, it is harmful. That's why you should not become a habit. Once in a while, okay, but every day taking the same thing, it's not at all good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next, I think we finished with this chapter. Last one is the dehydration, boiling and dehydration. Boiling and dehydration. Boiling is what? Heating around 100 degrees Celsius to remove impurities and kill microorganisms. And kill microorganisms. And kill microorganisms. Dehydration is removal of moisture. Okay, like for that, what you will do? You put it in the fridge and you don't allow the moisture to attack the food. Okay, you will always keep it in the dry place. Keeping it in dry place. Okay. Note it down. And also keep it in the airtight container. That also we do, no? We keep it in the airtight containers at your home. Whatever the dal and all will be there, no? The dal, moong dal, that dal, this dal, and rava, whatever food items we have, usually we keep it in the airtight container. Preserving the food in airtight container. Okay, so that the atmospheric impurities and the moisture won't attack the food items. Okay, you can write that also. Preserving food in what? Preserving food in airtight container. Okay, write it down. Next, we move to the next chapter. Yes, done writing. Yes. Shruta, you what doubt you have?
Nothing, ma'am. Can you read that word after 100 degrees Celsius to remove some word is there, ma'am?
To
I
remove
didn't-
impurities and kill microorganisms. To remove impurities and kills microorganisms.
Impurities, ma'am.
Impurities. Okay, yes, Shreya, what doubt you have?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here you wrote as preserving food in air in airtight container. So after writing this, keeping in dry place, after that should we write that?
Yes.
For kill microorganisms, no ma'am?
No. So that the microorganisms won't attack it. The impurities and all, they'll be dusted or no, that won't come and attack the food items. And also the microorganisms also won't come and attack it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please go that side? I will take a screenshot.
Okay.
Over, ma'am.
Nishant, tell me. Nishant. Yes, Nishant, tell me.
I'm preserving food in air after HIGHT, ma'am.
What? Preserving food in airtight container. In
ma'am,
airtight container.
Ma'am, it is T or H, ma'am?
Tight. T-I-G-H-T. Tight. T-I-G-H-T. Okay. So I'll erase now. Over everyone. We move to the next chapter. Okay, I think I had discussed about germination of seeds, no? How when you put the seeds inside the water, it will get germinated. Have I discussed that or not? Yes, right. You can message. when you put the seeds inside, okay, when you put inside the water, the seeds, no. Okay, yes, I just tell that and everything this. We'll move to next chapter. Next chapter is germination and seed dispersal. Germination and seed dispersal. Germination and seed dispersal. You can write the chapter name as germination and seed dispersal. Okay, so here germination. What is seed germination? And I think I made you write when you put the seeds inside the water. So when you put the seed inside the water, it will absorb all the water and become turgid. Okay. Okay, yes. Amol is telling yes. When you put the seeds inside the water, it will become fat. It will become turgid. No. It will become fat cells. It will become turgid. Later you are removing the water and keeping it inside the warm place. No, you are keeping it inside the, yes, sprouted. You are keeping it inside the warm place in such a way that it starts sprouting. The white color, the molecule is the white color will be sprouting. Okay, white color is sprouting. Okay, so that's the thing. So here the germination is defined as the growth of the seed into young plant and seedling. So whatever the white color thing you get, the sprouted seeds you get, that sprouted seeds, when you put it in the soil, that will grow into a new plant. That will grow into a new plant. Okay, the sprouted seeds usually will grow into a new young plant. Okay, so usually the germination occurs when the seed starts to grow. Okay, so here the grow means the single seed when the process of both the crop yield and quality means sprouting. Once sprouted, okay, once sprouted, the seeds are first sprouted. The seeds are first sprouted. Put to the soil. Put to the soil to form young plant. Young plant. Put to the soil to form an young plant. Okay, that is germination. 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 Okay, so means what? The seeds take up the water, it will become soft and fat. Later, when you keep it in a warm, dry place, it will start sprouting. Okay, now sprouting, sprouted and put inside the soil, it will grow into the young plant. That is nothing but germination. Okay, so next, the beginning stage, what will happen? The seeds take up the water. Initially, seeds take up water. Okay, next, become turgid. Turgid, that is fat and soft. Okay, fat and soft. Okay. So that is all. That means this process is called as imbibition. 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 Okay. This is called as IMBIBITION. 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 Okay. So later there will be growth. It starts growing. So when later on kept dried and kept it in a warm closed container. Okay, so enzymes will become active. Enzymes will become active. Okay, so enzymes will become active. Yes. Okay, the enzymes will become active. Okay, so usually the seed will start respiring. Okay, produce protein. Okay, whatever the food it is having, no, it will, whatever the food content is there inside the seed, that is utilized. Okay, so the enzymes will become active. It will start growing. Okay, whatever the food it is there inside the seed, that is utilized for the growth of the seed. Okay, so then later what will happen? So now, so what happens? The seed after emerging as a radical and the plumule. So this is the seed. If I take this is the seed. So this will be a radical and this will be a plumule. Radical, plumule. Okay, the radicals will grow to shoot. Radicals will further grow into shoot when placed inside the soil. Shoot when placed inside the soil. Okay, shoot when placed inside the soil. In soil. Okay, root. This plumule will grow into root. The plumule will grow into root inside the soil. Okay, inside the soil, whatever the seed is there, the seed of the sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds, it will go to the radical to form shoot. Okay, it will go to radical to form shoot. Okay, then later. Okay, it will go into a radical to form shoot. Okay, and later the plumule to form root. And this is the sprouted seeds, the radical and the plumule. So it's radical to form shoot and the plumule to form root. The plumule to form root. Okay. Yes, note it down. Yes, Anita. Nishan, tell me.
Ma'am, after container, what it is, ma'am? I'm
Where?
not.
Yes, repeat. What question? Again, please repeat.
After container, what it is, ma'am? After container, the down.
Container enzymes will become active. Enzymes will become active.
Can you tell the spellings, ma'am?
ENZYMES. enzymes. Enzymes will become active. ACTIVE, active.
Seeds take up water and become turgid, fat, soft. It is a imbibition, ma'am.
Imbibition. 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 The process of, taking up that water is called as imbibition.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here you have wrote this human part and this radical part, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, that also should be right.
Yes, everything you have to write. It is visible, no?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, everything you have to write.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Shambhavi, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, we have to write that you drawn, no, ma'am, that drawn
Yes.
part
Just now I told
also we have to write, ma'am.
Okay, I told to write. Means you have to be
Okay, ma'am.
Again, don't ask
Okay, ma'am.
question. Shambhavi, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, the upper one is germination and the lower part is germination, ma'am.
Both. The whole process is germination. Sprouting, you know, no? The whole sprouting is something but the germination. Sprouts, and when you put the soil, the lower part will go to form root. That's a plumule. And the radical will form shoot. Okay. The whole process is the germination. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any other doubt, Shambhavi?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Vinal, what doubt you have?
Yes, ma'am, you drawn that diagram, ma'am. Ma'am, what is that word below sprouted seeds, ma'am?
Plumule. P-U-M-U-L-E. Plumule. Plumule, I have written soil. Means that will form in soil. Once you go to put the plumule, the whole thing, the seed to the root, seed to the soil, it will form to the what? It will form root and shoot. Okay.
And what is that after seeds take up water, the down, ma'am, become turgid. And what is the meaning of that?
Turgid means fat. In bracket, I have written as fat. Soft and turgid.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hey, Shambhavi, still you have any doubt? No.
No, ma'am, by mistake erased.
Okay. Srinidhi? Yes, Srinidhi, tell me, quick. Make it fast. We need to complete the portions. Why are you running late?
Ma'am, can you take your
Yes?
see the board clearly?
No, I'm not able to understand you. Can you repeat?
I can't see the board clearly.
You can't see the board. Why?
Ma'am, I can't see.
You take the screenshot or log out and log in. Maybe it will be clear because everyone are done writing now. Everyone done writing? Vinil Patil, any doubt? Make it
Ma'am,
fast.
I can able to see your screen.
Okay, so I'll just erase this board now. We'll move further. I hope everyone have done writing. All of you done writing? Enzymes, nothing but protein. Enzymes is nothing but protein which will allow it to grow. There should be something which will make the plant grow, no? That are enzymes. Okay. Okay. So next is the So what are the conditions for the seed germination? Okay, so usually it has hydration. So means what? Water is very important for germination. Dry seeds, when it absorbs the water, what will happen? It will increase the permeability. Means what? Water can go inside the seeds. So it will start respiring. The seeds start breathing. Okay, the seed starts breathing, respiring. The water goes inside. Okay, so usually as the water goes inside, the seed starts taking up the food present in the embryo of the seed. Okay, present in the embryo of the seed, the stored food present in the embryo of the seed. Okay, so next the oxygen. So it is required for germinating thing for metabolism. Okay, part of aerobic respiration formed with pores of the soil particle. So first is the water. Water is required. Water. Water, what does it help in? What? It softens, helps the seed, increase the seed permeability. Increase seed permeability. Permeability means the water gets absorbed. Okay, the water goes inside the cell. Moving off water inside the cell. Inside the cell. Okay, so next, later on, the oxygen. Oxygen. Oxygen, what does oxygen do? Required for seed growth. Required for seed growth. To respire. To respire. Oxygen is required to respire by seeds. By seeds. By seeds. Temperature. Temperature. Temperature must be around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius for germination. Germination. Okay. So next is the light or darkness. Okay. So when it does not germinate until sunlight falls on them. Sunlight is required. Sunlight is required. Okay. Next. So, what is seed dormancy? Seed dormancy. D-O-R-M-A-N-C-Y. Okay, seed dormancy is nothing but the many seeds until seed dormancy is the seeds does not germinate. Seeds does not germinate. Okay, until sunlight falls on them. Until sunlight falls on them. That is dormancy. Seed dormancy is nothing but the seed does not germinate until the sunlight falls on it. Until the sunlight falls on it. Okay. Yes, note it down. Make it fast. You can finish this chapter also. Over writing. Yes, Shreya, tell me what doubt you have?
Ma'am, here you wrote as seed dormanino, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, you wrote seed dormanino.
Seed does not germinate until sunlight falls on it. Whenever the
No,
sunlight
ma'am.
is there, then only it will grow.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
no, ma'am, I'm asking this starting you wrote, ma'am, this seed dormani.
Dormancy. D-O-R-M-A-N-C-Y. D-O-R-M-A-N-C-Y. Dormancy. Dormancy. Ishant, I don't
Okay,
know.
ma'am.
Whatever the notes are uploaded, it won't be what I have written on the board. You may get confused. Make sure write everything. Please take a screenshot. Maybe the uploaded notes won't help you. The uploaded notes will be full of textbook or some PPT or other material. It will be there only to refer. If you have not understood, you can just refer it. But whatever I have written, that is the actual notes. What I have taught you, same thing only I have written on the board. Okay. So make sure everyone write. For your sake only I am writing. Okay. It's not for somebody else, or not for my sake. You take the screenshot or you write. Shreya, tell me.
Ma'am, now you told that they will send some type of PPT, no, ma'am. So
Yeah, that's
even
what
that also
I'm
should
telling
be
you. No, that PPT and all will be there. Everything will be there. Then again, don't come and complain that we are not able to understand what notes they have uploaded. Okay, the what man has taught is not the same way. Oh, that stories I don't want. Okay, whatever have
Okay,
come
ma'am,
in
that
the exams, it is not the
should be
same.
referred.
Huh?
Ma'am, even that type.
Yes, just write whatever I have written. Okay, just write it. No.
Should be referred.
So yes, I'm erasing the board. Everyone, I'm telling you, I'm erasing the board now. Okay, so next, seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. What are the different types of seed dispersal? One is through wind. Seed dispersal through wind. Okay. Through wind. So when the seeds are there on the plant, when the wind just blows, what will happen? The seeds fall off to the soil and the new plant will grow. Okay, through wind. So when wind blows, okay, when wind blows, the seeds fall to soil and new plant is grown. And new plant is grown. And new plant is grown. Yes, dormancy is something without in the absence of sunlight, the plant does not grow. The seed does not germinate. The seed does not germinate in the absence of sunlight. The seed does not germinate in the absence of sunlight. Is nothing but seed dormancy. Seed dormancy. Bhagyashree, you should be attentive. This is the 5th time I'm telling the same thing. Okay, so what is seed dispersal? Seed dispersal. Okay, through wind, when when the wind blows, the seed falls to the soil and a new plant is grown, is called seed dispersal. Okay, so nuts float easily. Okay, so straight like a parachute. Okay, there are some seeds are very small and light, like a dust particle just moves. Okay, next is some fruits can throw their seeds away when they are ripe. Okay, okay, next part is, this is the first one. Next thing is when seeds are the fruits throw the seeds when ripe. When seeds are ripe, the fruit just throws it. Okay, so that throws it. So that when the fruits like a little machine. Okay, then when the seeds are dry, the inside the pod dries up fast, twist inside suddenly splitting and open violently. Okay, so the throws it when the seeds are ripe. Okay, so that is a kind of a seed dispersal. Okay, next is a water dispersal when it is raining. Okay, when it is raining, so let's take an example for, okay, that means to seed dispersal through wind. When wind blows, the seed fall to the soil and new plant is grown. Example for this is orchid and poppy seeds. Okay, orchid and poppy seeds. ORCHID. Orchid, poppy seeds. Orchid and poppy seeds. Okay, orchid and poppy seeds. Okay, so next is the what? I think there's no example for the fruit dispersal. Next is the water dispersal. Third one is the water dispersal. Okay, through water. How? That is when the plants grow near the water. Okay, the seed fall off to the water. Okay, then plant grow near the water. Okay, seeds fall to water. Seed fall to water and flows. Seeds fall to water and flows. Okay, flows to some for longer distance. And grows. Okay, so example is what? The water lily. Okay, so usually wind also just flows. The wind also just flows, and what will happen? And as the air flows, the seeds fall to the soil and new plant is grown. Next is a fruit, where the fruit, whatever the seeds are there in the fruit, it will become ripe and the fruit just throws the seeds to the soil and the new plant is grown. So next is the water. The water lily will grow in the water, right? The water lily will grow in the water. So what will happen? As the water lily will grow in the water, the seeds will fall off inside the water. As the water flows, it will go to some distance, some other place, and there the new plant is grown. Okay, let's note it down. seed dispersal, it is the mechanical means. Then write as mechanical means. Mechanical means. Means what? Like air, water, wind, like that. No insect is there. Yes, any doubt, raise your hand. Shivani, tell me. Yes, Nishan, tell me.
Ma'am, seed dispersal is also known as mechanical means, ma'am.
Yes, mechanical means whatever that seed dispersal happens through air, wind, and that fruit just throws. No, all that is mechanical. Nobody is doing it, like living organisms, like insect, human, and all that. Like we are not going and plucking it, and we are not putting inside the soil, or some insect is not going inside that seed and putting it. It's all naturally. It is happening in the nature. That is the mechanical means. Okay.
Ma'am, water dispersal is also known as mechanical means, ma'am.
Mechanical. That normally will happen by the nature. So that's all mechanical means. Natural means also you can write. Naturally it happens. No need of any help. Okay, Shivani, tell me. Kalyan, you can re-log in if the board is blurred.
Ma'am, can you repeat what is mechanical means?
Mechanical means is a natural way of seed dispersal, like wind, water, okay, and air, wind, water. The fruits also will just throw it up. Okay, nobody is like we are not going and plucking the seed and putting in the soil, nor the insect will come and do that. It's naturally happening. Whatever naturally happening is something what the mechanical means.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So shall I erase the board? Done writing? All of you done writing? Take the screenshot. Over, everyone. Amog, make it fast. Take the screenshot if you want to. Orchid, you don't know. Flowers and all you get no. Where you put for garland and all. For decoration purpose and all they use no orchid. That plant. Orchid plant. Okay, I'll be erasing the board. Rakesh, I hope you have written. Everyone take a screenshot at least. Later you can write. I'm erasing the board. Yeah, so next is the zoological means. Zoological means. Same, I'm writing zoological means. In that, what will happen? The fruits are eaten by the animals, seeds are dropped by the fruits and digested. Okay. So what will happen? Animals eat fruit. No. Animal eat fruit. Animal eat fruit and put down the seeds and put the seeds. Put down the seeds. Okay. Next is through fur. Fur. Through fur. Okay. So when the animals just go through the plants and all, no, it will go and stuck to the fur. The seeds get stuck to the fur and will fall to the soil. Okay. So next, the fur of mammals. Of mammals. Fur of mammals. Okay. So next is the birds, the stick, your socks, pants. The parent plant is spiky little buds. The birds either thrown off by the plant to the ground. They stay until passing the animal. Okay. Okay, 2 finals. Okay, next third one is the seeds sticks to us. To us as we walk around. We walk around. As we walk around and can be dispersed in soil. Okay. Okay, dispersed through droppings, poop. Animals swallow fruit, including seeds. Okay. Through poop. Seeds swallowed and put to soil to poop. Okay, yes, done. Any doubt, students? Let me know. Poop means the potty, whatever the animals, wherever it will eat, no, nicely it will eat, but the seeds won't get digested. The animals, it will eat the fruit, but the seeds won't get digested. So what will happen? It will come out in the poop, in the potty. Okay, that will go to the soil and again new plant is grown. Shivani, tell me, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of mammals?
Mammals like us, like 4-legged animals. 4-legged animals, me, okay, humans, cow, dog, like that you can say. Humans,
Okay.
cow, dogs, cat. They have fur and all, no? When they roam around, okay, between plants and all, they roam around between plants and all. So what will happen? The whatever the seeds are there, no, it will go and get stuck to that fur. And wherever they roam around, the seeds will fall to that place and new plant is grown. Okay. Poop is potty. Potty you don't know. Potty. Nishant, daily you don't know. Daily you don't go. Then you're asking me. Okay. Shivani, tell me.
Ma'am, how to pronounce SWALLOWED? Swallowed, ma'am.
Yes, swallowed means eating. Fruits it will be eaten, no? Swallowed. Swallowed.
Ma'am, how to pronounce that? First you wrote, no, ma'am, ZOOLA.
Zoological means. Zoological means. Zoological. Zoo means what? Animals only, no? A zoo, what will be there? Zoo, animal. Through the animals, how dispersal will happen? How the seeds dispersal will happen through animals. That is zoological means. Okay. Danyashri, what do you have?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mammals means also the animals which reproduce, no, ma'am, without laying an egg.
Without reproducer. Repeat.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mammals, ma'am, we could even say that mammals are the animals which reproduce without laying eggs, no, ma'am.
Yeah, it will give birth to young ones. It won't lay eggs. Mammals cannot lay eggs. It will give birth to young ones. Birds and all, no, usually they lay egg. But mammals are the ones who can reproduce. They give birth to young ones.
Ma'am, we call the one who do not reproduce laying eggs, we call mammals, no, ma'am. Ma'am, what do we call who one lays eggs, ma'am?
Viviparous. One is oviparous, one is viviparous. Laying eggs.
Okay, ma'am.
One is reproducing is oviparous, viviparous is laying eggs.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Harush, what do you have?
Ma'am, can you go side, ma'am? I will take the screenshot.
Okay. Is any other doubt, Harush? No? Shreya, tell me, what do you have?
Ma'am, we give egg or like that only will get give birth.
No, repeat. Repeat.
Ma'am, will the ant give birth or will it lay egg?
Which one?
Ma'am, ant.
Ant, it will lay egg. Ant will lay egg.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Nishan, tell me, what do you have? Yeah, Nishan. Okay, Nishan, tell me.
Ma'am, in the water increase seed permeability means moving of water inside the cell, ma'am. What is mean by cell, ma'am?
Cell. Cell is the seed. The seed will become fat, no? That is after going inside the thing. That is permeability. Like, okay, tell me, if you put inside any water or something which inside the balloon will become fat, no? That is permeability. Means going the water is gone inside the cell, gone inside that particular seed.
Okay. Cell means seeds, ma'am. Cell means.
Generally, they say cell. Anything. You are needing water, our body will absorb the water. That is also cell only. Generally, the term we call it as cell. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Oh, Shivani, tell me. No doubt, Shivani.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, mosquitoes and bugs lay the eggs, ma'am.
Mosquitoes are?
Mosquitoes and bugs will lay the eggs, ma'am.
Mosquitoes and bugs will? Yes, it will lay egg. It will lay egg. Okay, all of you wrote, done writing? I think you finished with this chapter also. Then we have to move on to the next chapter. Done, everyone done. I hope all of you are understanding. Only 5 people, only 3-4 students are asking me doubts. Rest, why are you not asking the doubts? I hope all of you are understanding. I think, yes, Sohan, Pratham, Ganika, okay, Rishank, Dhruva. Why you always, is Amog sleepy mode? Huh? Sleepy. Understanding everything. Understood? Why you are all silent? Ganika, Srinidhi. Hardly 5-6 students are asking me doubts. Rest are all what? Kishan, Bhuvan, Shamant. All of you understood? It's there in the 4th grade, Sohan? Okay. Then fine. Then I don't have to worry. If you have understood, no worries. Okay, but please ask. Don't hesitate to ask us. Okay, anything which is in the chapter, I'm happy to clear your doubts. Okay. Yes, chapter is finished.
Ma'am, this chapter also finished, ma'am.
Yes, this chapter is finished. Next, we have to go on to a new chapter. That is, let me see. So, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. We will do that. Renewable and non-renewable source of energy. We had that chapter. Or we go to the water pollution. Shall we start with the water pollution?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone done writing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, time is up, ma'am.
The board? So next, coming to the water pollution and microbial diseases. Water pollution and microbial diseases. Water pollution and microbial diseases. Okay, so what is water pollution? Contamination of water. Contamination of water. Contamination of water is the water pollution. Okay, contamination of water is nothing but the water pollution. Okay, water pollution is a chapter. Contamination of water. It's writing here. Contamination of water. Okay. Water gets polluted. Water gets polluted. Okay. Water gets polluted from what? From human activities. From human activities. Human activities like throwing dead bodies. Throwing dead bodies. Okay. Bathing. Washing. Okay. Putting garbage. Okay. All that will contaminate the water, and from this, what will happen? The aquatic life will start suffering, leading to death of aquatic life. Aquatic, that is life, means that is there in the water, like fishes, frogs, okay, etc. So what will happen? These impurities, it is there inside the water, the fishes and frogs will take up all that impurities and they suffocate and die. Okay. Yes, note it down. Yes, blue whales also. All the plastic cover and all they put no inside the water. They just throw plastic plates, plastic spoons. So all that is non-degradable. It cannot be digested by these animals. So they won't know. They go and eat all these plastic things. Okay. And what will happen? They die. Okay. The plastic will go and suffocate them. The plastics will go and suffocate them and they will die. Okay. Plastics also you can write. Okay. Plastics you can write. Yes. Who have raised the hand? Let me see. Okay, Shivani. Yes, tell me what doubt you have.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of contamination?
Contamination means putting impurities inside the water. Doing all these activities, what will happen? That impurity will go and be in the water. No, that is contamination. That animals don't know. They drink it, they swim it, they get all skin problems, and also they drink and they die. Okay, that is contamination.
Okay, ma'am.
So next, yeah, Shreya, tell me.
Ma'am, if the dog eats a paper also, will that die?
Yes, it will die.
Okay.
So next, Bhagyashri, tell me, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, that you wrote, ma'am, putting garbage leading to death of, after that, I can't see, ma'am.
Aquatic life. Aquatic life, like fish and frogs. Aquatic
Ma'am, can you say spelling of it?
and frogs. Aquatic life, like fish and frogs. Yes, Bhagyashri, tell me.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. Mistakenly erased.
Okay. Sohan, tell me.
Ma'am, in the last chapter, you said that the animals which lay eggs are called oviparous. Ma'am, but then we can even call them as reptiles, no?
Reptiles also. But reptiles is one of the part. Reptiles is only snake, lizard, snake, like that. Reptiles, you can't take bird as reptile. Bird is not a reptile. Okay. Bird is bird only, apes. Reptile is the snake, lizard, like that. Okay. But it will lay egg. Okay. Viviparous is all animals should lay egg. That is viviparous. Okay. Yes. Amok, tell me, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, will these notes be uploaded?
Repeat.
Ma'am, will these notes, ma'am, they will upload it in the button, ma'am?
I don't see why you are repeating the same thing. Again, you are asking for the notes. I have told you 100 times, like whatever I write, please take the screenshot or write in the book. I'll ask you notes. Everyone, you have to show me your notes. Otherwise, 10 times you have to write. Okay. Everything must be written on the notes, and button but whatever the material is there, that is just for your reference. If you have not attended the class properly and all, you can refer that notes. Okay, that is also there, and make sure you write what I write on the board. Okay. Okay, Rishan, tell me what doubt you have?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of polluted?
Pollution means making it unclean, dirty, unclean.
Ma'am, another one doubt, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of hasastic that you written, ma'am? Hasastic.
What? Which one? Water get polluted. Activities, activities. Human work, what all human do, throwing, washing
Ma'am,
clothes.
not that, ma'am. Not that, ma'am. Ma'am, there is no, not that, ma'am. Throwing dead bodies, bathing, washing, putting, and there has to be,
Plastics,
ma'am.
plastics. They throw plastic bottles. No, plastics.
Yeah, ma'am. Plastic, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next, Nishan, tell me.
Ma'am, that is plastics or plastics, ma'am?
Plastic, you don't know. Plastic, plastic.
Ma'am, after garbage, right, ma'am? Garbage.
Plastic, leading to death of aquatic life.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Shreya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Which birds or animals which lay eggs for that what we will call?
Viviparous. That is not there here. If you want
Viviparous.
to write, you can write. Otherwise, it's okay. Viviparous.
Okay, ma'am.
Viviparous.
Ma'am, after writing these frogs, fishes and frogs, so can I write which animal or birds which lay eggs are called
That is not there in this chapter. Don't mix it. Don't
Okay,
mix
ma'am.
it. There's separate chapter. I have not started the chapter. Okay, when I do the chapter, I'll let you know. Okay, that time you can write. Don't mix
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, yes, Shreya. Is any other doubt? No? Okay, Danyashri, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, birds are the modified one of crocodiles.
You can't say like that, but yeah, evolution. Even here also like modified form of monkeys. No, our ancestors.
Yes, ma'am.
So before we
Yes,
were
in my class,
we got modified like
in my class, my science teacher told, ma'am. So I asked.
record evolution. Okay, so the how
Okay,
we
ma'am.
use nowadays we use our hand to eat and legs to walk and all. No, monkeys don't do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Monkeys use both the four legs to climb and to walk only. So in that particular, there were some monkeys. It used to use the forehand, whatever the front part is there, no, for eating food. So slowly those part became man. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I got
They
it.
never used to climb to a thing. They used to always sit at down only. So they never used to use their tails. That's why slowly the tails were gone, and we don't have any tails now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Okay. Yes. Next, Bhagyashri, tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, you have to re-log in for that because everyone can hear me. Okay. Same thing I was explaining. Okay, no need to worry. Yes, but who is this? Pranit Arjun. Am I okay? Your name? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, you will send, you will upload this, no, ma'am?
Everything is uploaded, I think, dear, but don't ask anything about downloads again. I get irritated. I've told 100 times. Again, don't ask. Okay. Yes, right. Whatever doubt you have for this in this part, I'll tell you. Okay. Next, Dhruva. Tell me. Fast. Quick.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the chapter name, ma'am? I did not get to know.
Water pollution and microbial diseases. Water pollution.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Next.
water. Ma'am, water pollution is. Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Water pollution is done. Water pollution is getted by the human activities, no, ma'am.
Water pollution is
Spoiled with the human activities, no, ma'am.
yes. Again, there are so many other things. I'll discuss. Okay. Next, Shivani. Okay, Kishan, tell me.
Ma'am, I have two doubts. Ma'am, can you go a little side after right? Depth of I can't see. Aquatic life. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes, Nishant.
After water pollution, you are not written a chapter name, and you can you write, ma'am? I will also write after water pollution.
What for water pollution?
You are not written the after chapter name. Something after water pollution is there, no, ma'am. That was it.
Microbial disease. That's okay. That I have not started. No, you can write later.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. Yes. Over. Yes, Shreya. How much you are? Tell me quickly. You don't want to. Tell me. What? Okay. Over, Shreya. No doubt. No doubt. All of you done writing? Done? Yes, again, who? Sohan, tell me, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, we have another class at 10:30.
Yeah, I'll end the session. But no doubts, right, everyone?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm ending the session. I hope all of you have written this. I'll continue tomorrow, same topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Bye,
I'll
ma'am.
close the session then. Thank you for joining. See you in the next class. Bye bye.